In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Z Battlegrounds on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and join the experience Z Battlegrounds on Roblox mobile. To view this, open the latest version of Roblox on any mobile device, either Android or iOS, whatever you prefer. Once you join, just go ahead and use the search bar over here at the top and look for Z Battlegrounds. You will be able to find the experience right away. So it is made by Aspecting Studios and they have the verified icon. You will be able to confirm that it is the official one because it has more than 250 million visits. So all that you have to do now is go ahead and tap the button to join. I'm going to join a private server to demonstrate how it works on mobile, but you can also join a public one if you prefer. So once you join the server, you will be able to play. You can move around using the joystick at the left side of your screen. You will be able to block, dash, and attack with the buttons at the right side. You can change between all of the characters available, and you will be able to use all of your abilities. So all that you have to do is look for Z Battlegrounds on any mobile device, and when you join, you will be able to play. So I'm going to demonstrate some of the abilities here, but this is all you have to do. You can use all of the controls here, walk onto other enemies, and so on. Everything should work flawlessly. You will be able to tap on the screen to use your abilities, and everything might take a while to load. You can access the settings if you would like to change specific things about the gameplay, so auto use, auto run, outlining, and so on, and everything is going to work just like you would on a PC. You might also be able to play on console with a controller, so keep that in mind. Z Battlegrounds is made for all platforms. You will be able to join, set up the game, play however you prefer, and everything will work. You can join ranked 1v1s, talk in chat, complete mastery objectives, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Z Battlegrounds on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.